Zolot variable temperature electric kettle 0.8 L, FDA approved 1000 W stainless steel electric pour over coffee tea kettle, hot water boiler heater with keep warm function. Auto shut off and boil dry protection. Fast review. Zolot is a professional seller and dedicated to providing highly functional and quality products. Our goal is makes your life easier and healthier. Precise temperature control electric kettle smart water motor 6 presets different temperature settings 158 degrees Fahrenheit warming 167 degrees Fahrenheit green tea 185 degrees Fahrenheit coffee 194 degrees Fahrenheit black tea 203 degrees Fahrenheit herbal tea 212 degrees Fahrenheit bowling. You can adjust the desired temperature for different drinks or foods via the temperature setting button. The purest taste 100% surgical grade stainless steel makes you healthier. No plastics touch the boiling water inside including the lid. Unlike other kettles use plastic for the inner lid, the quality is noble, durable, no plastic smell. 30 minutes keep warm function and fast boiling heat and hold a desired temperature for up to 30 minutes. The 1000 watts of power boils a full kettle in just 4 to 6 minutes. You can enjoy a cup of coffee or tea in no time. User-friendly design and maximum safety anti-skid, heat-resistant, and comfort grip handles. Gooseneck spout control outlet water accurately. The separate design of the button and the kettle body makes it safer to use. Auto shut off and boil dry protection.